everyone, and welcome back to Ms.English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm James.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sophia. We're so happy to have you with us today.
How are you today, Sophia?
I'm doing great, James. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm doing very well. I'm excited because today's lesson is something everyone can use in daily life.
That's right. Today we are going to learn a natural English conversation between two friends.
Many English learners know grammar rules, but they often find it difficult to have a real conversation.
Exactly. They know what words mean, but they don't always know how to use them naturally.
That's why today's lesson will be very helpful.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Emma's English Talk, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
All right, James, let's start our conversation.
Sounds good.
Hey, James. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Sophia. I've been doing great. How about you?
I'm doing very well, too. It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you, too. What have you been up to lately?
I've been busy with my studies and working on some creative projects.
That sounds interesting. What kind of projects?
I've been designing posters and practicing digital art.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Yes, I really enjoy it. What about you?
I've been teaching English and creating lessons for my students.
That sounds productive.
It is. I love helping people improve their English.
That's wonderful.
So, Sophia, how's your family?
Everyone is doing well, thank you. My parents recently visited my grandparents.
That's nice. Did they have a good time?
Yes, they did. They spent the whole weekend together. Family time is always special. I completely agree.
My family is doing well, too. Last Sunday, we had a family dinner together.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed delicious food.
Those moments are always memorable.
Absolutely.
James, what do you usually do after work?
I usually relax for a while, listen to music, and then go for a walk.
Walking is a great habit.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind and stay healthy.
I like taking evening walks too.
Really?
Yes, especially when the weather is pleasant.
That sounds relaxing.
It definitely is. What are your hobbies these days?
I enjoy reading books, painting, and learning new skills online.
That's great. What kind of books do you like?
I mostly enjoy self-improvement and adventure books.
Interesting choice.
What about you? I like sports, movies, and podcasts.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I enjoy inspirational movies because they motivate me.
That makes sense.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Of course, I love comedy movies because they make me laugh.
Comedy movies are always entertaining.
Exactly.
Let's talk about travel.
Good idea.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. It gives me a chance to explore new places and meet new people.
What is your dream destination?
I would love to visit Switzerland one day.
Why Switzerland?
Because of its beautiful mountains, lakes, and peaceful environment.
That sounds amazing. What about you? I would love to visit Japan.
That's interesting.
I'm fascinated by its culture, technology, and food. Japan is definitely a wonderful country. Now let's teach our listeners some useful English expressions. Great idea.